Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture of a gauge and wanted to know how to do the interactive fill tool. I'm really close, if not dead on. I don't have, my separation is not the same. And you would think you would want to use the elliptical interactive fill tool, but you don't. So I just drew a line. I'm going to make it like 45 points. Let's make it a little thicker. Let's make it 55 points. Then I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click. Interactive fill tool doesn't work on lines. It only works on like solid stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to move it out of the way, get rid of my lines. And I don't have to, but I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. You would think you would want to use the conical, but, well, first of all, I didn't. I got ahead of myself. I did not take away the gap, which is going to make a big difference. So I'm in the center of the page. I'm going to rotate that guy 45 degrees and Control D. And that might be too much now, but that's fine. Then I'm just going to delete these lines. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now I can delete my lines. And we have that. So get the interactive fill tool and go from pretty much the middle of that edge to the middle of that edge. But then put red right there. Then I'm going to put yellow like in the middle. I'm going to put green all the way down there. And you kind of almost got it the first try. That's pretty close. But you could play around, with more or less colors. You could add, like if it's a little light right there, take another red and put it right there. And it's going to make it redder. If it gets a little difference in the color. So what it's doing is splitting this part into 3 parts. And you can see I can move that around. We could actually put in another yellow really close to that one and make it kind of stand out a little bit more. I think that's pretty close. Anyway, I hope that person and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.